With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Question is, a person 1.6 meter tall is standing at the center between two walls 3 meter high. What is the minimum size of a plane mirror fixed on the wall in front of him if he is to see full height of the wall behind him? So here it says there are two walls 3 meter high and person is standing at, let's say, here at the center of this room. So here this is our person, and we can say here this person is looking towards, let's say, here this wall. So what should be the height of this mirror so that he can see the full height of the wall behind him? Hence the rays emanating from, let's say, the topmost part must come and meet him at this eye. And next we can say here the other ray from the, let's say, here bottom part must come and meet him at this eye. Here he will be seeing these two, let's say, ends. So he will see this full wall. So now applying basic geometry here, we can say here if we draw a perpendicular, let's say from this here portion on this wall. Now this is also one perpendicular drawn here, and this is other perpendicular, and this here is our other perpendicular. Now we can say here that this is our, let's say, mirror. So this is the height of the mirror which we need to calculate. Now suppose we can say here this is our height as A and this is our height as B. Hence the total height of the mirror here will be from this end to this end, which is A plus B. So this here is A, this here is B. So this height will be our, let's say, A plus B. Now here we can say if this here, this end to this end is A, so this end to this end also will be equal to A, hence this to this will also be equal to, we can say, as A. So this is our, let's say, A, as well as this here is B, hence this will also be B, hence this also will be equal to, we can say, as B. As this is our A and this here is our equal to B. Now we can say here if, let's say, we consider these two triangles, one small triangle and the other big triangle, we can say here these two triangles are similar as this angle is common and this angle in both the cases is 90 degree. So being similar, we can say here if, let's say, this here, this to this distance is given as A, so this to this distance shall also be equal to A. As we can see here, this will obey the law of reflection. So here these two triangles are congruent as this is 90-90, this is, let's say, equal angle, and this is common side. So by, let's say, ASA, these two triangles are common, so sides will be equal, hence this is equal to A. Now we can find here this length, let's say. So we can say here this length can be written here by proportionality theorem. We can say here BPT, we can say here this comes as A divided by this distance is suppose X. So we have here A divided by X is equal to, now since he is standing at the middle of the room, so this distance is D and this distance is also D. So this can be written here as in the smaller triangle here corresponding to A, the distance here is D, and corresponding to the bigger triangle, we can say here this total length is our 2D. So we can say here X comes out to be our 2A. So this X here comes to be 2A. In similar way, we can say here this is B, this is also B. Hence we can say here this length also comes out to be our 2B. So we have here this length as, let's say, Y is equal to, we can say here 2B. Hence the total, we can say here this here to here distance comes out to be our, let's say, we can say as this total wall is of 3 meter. So 3 meter is equal to, we can say here 2A plus A plus B plus 2B, which is equal to 3A plus 3B, as 3 times A plus B. Hence we can say A plus B comes out to be equal to 1. Hence A plus B equal to 1, which means here we need 1/3 the height of the wall, that is 3 by 3, which is equal to 1 meter. Hence, the height of the mirror must be of length 1 meter if the person is standing at the middle of the room, which is option number 2. Hence, 2 is the correct answer. So, 2 is our answer.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.